Do you believe in Riva's forward intake? Suppose just to have a 4-inch silicone 90 degree off the supercharger. Wouldn't any lower intake temps from the front be negated? Oh, okay. You're talking about the cold air. You're talking about the cold air kit. Well, what Riva is doing and the purpose of why they're doing this is, I see what you're saying. I've seen guys who run a little Canaflex hose with a 90 degree with a big conical Canon filter on it. That's a good question. Here's what's going on. The Canaflex hose with the conical filter is getting where is that filter? It's in between the engine block and the exhaust manifold. What kind of air circulation you got going on in your engine compartment? It's pretty sealed, right? I mean, it's not sealed, but it's pretty sealed. That is effectively the hottest place in the engine compartment, is between the engine and the exhaust. So you're kind of in between a rock and a hard place. The reason why the air box is up high underneath the steering and above the gas tank is gas typically, the gas tank isn't very hot. Okay. Number two, that is where all of the breathing tubes that come in, I mean, almost every single model, they're coming in at that point. All right. They're coming in at the highest point in the deck. So that's where the factory airbox is. Riva wants to use as much of the factory mounting hardware as possible. And they're also putting the air inlet where the factory would have it, which is also right underneath all of those Canaflex hoses feeding into. Just stick your head in there and look. You'll see all the hoses coming in, and that's all your fresh air. Well, where do you want the engine breathing? You want it all you want as much cool, dense air as possible. So that's the science behind them. That's the logic in having that big, long intake tube. That's the way to go. All right? Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to Playlists, and then click on Live Sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.